everyone, you're welcome back to today's video. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you the simple and magic mixture of a drink that you take just 2 cups for 30 days and your belly fat will melt completely. So what I'll be using today is just my fenugreek here. This is my fenugreek powder. Okay, so this fenugreek, which you guys all know, is an herb with nutritious seeds, and it can be brewed into a tea or sold as supplement. So this promise to lower your blood sugar and improve your gut health too. So I'm actually using the fenugreek powder, and here is the fenugreek powder. I'm gonna go ahead to tell you about the benefit of this. This fenugreek is also known as methyl and is a herb that's similar to clover. So the seeds and extracts are used in cooking, then supplements and some beauty products too. There are some beauty products that you add this fenugreek to their cream, or it might be to any facial scrub or body scrub like that. So I'll go ahead and share with you this. The powder that I'm actually using is made from the seed of this fenugreek. So their seeds itself are hard and reddish, though I don't have the seed with me. It's only the powder fenugreek that I have. They are hard reddish yellow in color, then they kind of smell like maple syrup, but they have a bitter taste. So this fenugreek is also packed full of vitamins and minerals like calcium, folate, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin A. So how to use fenugreek for weight loss? You can get your daily dose of fenugreek in a few different ways. If you are looking to reduce hunger, a cup of this hot tea can hit the spot. So how to make fenugreek tea or methyl water? That's another name, is also known as methyl water or fenugreek tea. So the first step is just I'm gonna show you how to do this using my hot water. So I'm gonna get my hot water now. So here's my hot water. So what I need now is just to turn it inside my cup. That's a full glass of my hot water. Then I'll go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of this my fenugreek powder inside a cup of my hot water. This is 1 teaspoon of my fenugreek powder inside. So this is fenugreek powder. If you don't have fenugreek powder, or if you have the seed with you, you can go ahead and use the seed. Then you add it inside in the hot water for 30 minutes. So this is what I'll be doing. I'll just allow it to strain here for the next steep here for the next 10 minutes. So here's the cover. I have to cover this for it to strain to steep for the next 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, while counting the time, guys, I'll go ahead and tell you the benefits. The benefit of taking this is gonna help you to reduce your abdominal fat, your belly fat, your arms fat, your thigh fat, your face fat, all those excessive unwanted fats from places that you don't really want them. This is gonna help to reduce it. So after the 10 minutes of straining the mixture with a strainer, okay, so I'm gonna turn everything inside. Then I'll allow it to steep while waiting for the time. So guys, while waiting for the time, here is my mixture. So what I just need now is to strain this inside another container. Here's the resultant solution of the fenugreek itself. So I'll still go ahead and strain it back inside the cup. So I'll go ahead and turn everything inside my glass. Here is how it looks. So the next step is to add my cinnamon. If you have cinnamon, you can add either cinnamon, lemon, honey, just to test it. But I have my ginger here, which I'm gonna add my dried ginger inside and allow it to steep. Then I'll go ahead and add. So guys, I'll go ahead and add my cinnamon, which I added my dried ginger first. Then this is my cinnamon. Then I'll go ahead and add my mint here, just for it to change the taste. And so guys, while allowing this everything to steep for the next 3 minutes, that's the flavor that I added to it, the mint leaf, my ginger, and as well my cinnamon, pack of cinnamon. So I'm gonna allow these 3 ingredients to steep for the next 3 minutes. Then I'll filter them out. Your methai water is super ready for your super effective weight loss, belly fat, arms, thighs fat, and other excessive fat from every other places that you never wanted to see fats. So you can drink this tea up to 3 times a day, as I said. First thing in the morning, either before meal or after meal, just to curb appetite, because fenugreek is very good when it comes to curbing appetite, and it helps in reducing high blood pressure. It's super good for high sugar level too. So after the 3 minutes, this is what I'm gonna be doing, is just to filter everything out. Then I'm gonna take it back inside my cup. That is the resultant solution back inside my cup. Then I'll go ahead and strain everything. So here is how my methai water looks like. This water is super good for weight loss, and once you're consistent using it, it's gonna give you a super effective result. So today guys, I'm gonna stop here, and for the sake of those that are just coming by to my channel, please consider subscribing to Uyimat, and as well turn on the post notification bell to be notified on other videos I'm creating. Don't forget to give my video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends out there on how to reduce their excessive fat, and as well the drink to use, this magic drink that they should be taking for the next 30 days, and this is gonna help to reduce their excessive fat. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys all. Bye bye.